Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizzie and you are welcome to the family. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It helps me know that you're watching and also it helps some of the algorithms as well. So please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Remember, YouTube is free for you to watch. So just a quick thumbs up and subscribe does you no harm. You also get notified when I release new videos, so you're not missing out, and in case you forget as well. So it's a win-win situation for you. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. So today we're still on the topic of receipts, and this one I know a lot of people will love. It's our good old friend McDonald's. Yes, you heard me right, McDonald's. And I know a lot of people love McDonald's, from the young children. Happy Meals. I remember when I was a child, Happy Meal. It was Happy Meal. It was that toy I needed inside my Happy Meal. It was the toy. And children still today in the UK, yes, I love Happy Meal. I want a Happy Meal. Or maybe it's a quick thing, maybe the McDonald's breakfast that you love to eat. Or maybe you just like McDonald's once in a while or every day. So I'm going to show you this hack. It's for adults in terms of the hack and the food available, but you get this hack on any receipt, whether it's for a children's meal, whether it's for a drive-through. If you buy it from McDonald's, just from now on, just always take your receipt with you. So I'll show you the quick hack. So on the receipt, right at the top, it says, tell us how we did. I'm going to zoom in a bit if I can. Tell us how we did. And then there is a website to go to, and there's a 12-digit code that is shown on your receipt, which you enter into the website. And then what happens? This one is not a competition or a draw. It's very simple. You fill out the questions. McDonald's will then show you a code on the screen when you finish, or they will email you your code to get a £1.99 fries and burger. You heard me right, £1.99 fries and burger. And it's just a voucher which you can then take to McDonald's when you next go there. You show them the voucher on your email, or if you've downloaded it onto your phone, and you get your fries and your burger for £1.99. Now it's regular fries, and it's a burger which can be like a Big Mac. If you are vegetarian, or maybe if you do not eat meat, you can ask them what alternative you can have instead. If you're like pescatarian, you can tell them you do not eat Big Mac, but can you change it for example, fillet of fish, and they will do it for you. So it's literally that simple. Anytime you go to McDonald's, just take the receipt with you. There is a code always at the top, and the website link just to tell you where to go. So simple. I've actually used this a few times in 2021, and I've honestly, I was just looking at my receipt one day and I was like, oh, there's this thing here. Let me try it out. I thought it was a joke until I got my code. Went to McDonald's the next time. It was accepted. I was like, oh, okay. Oh, then again, and then again. So if you're someone who loves going McDonald's, look, you need to just try this out. If you love Big Mac, if you love fillet of fish, just take your receipt with you next time, and just when you finish getting your order, just take your receipt home, take it to your car, to your workplace, whatever. Just fill out the survey. It's 2 minutes. Please note, this video is not sponsored by McDonald's one way, shape or form. Remember, this video is about helping you save money, helping you make money, and helping your money work harder. And this receipt definitely fits the bill. So next time you go to McDonald's, whether they give you a receipt or not, always ask them, can I have my receipt, please? And they will not say no, because McDonald's are on their knees as well, begging you, please, we want feedback. So let's have a quick look at the website and take it from there. So this is what I've typed in from the receipt. This is the website that's on the receipt, mcdonaldsfoodforthought.com. And then I just click continue. I'll click continue. Do you have your receipt? You have to click yes and have your receipt, because if you click no, they won't let you do the survey. So I'm going to click yes. I'm going to click next. And then it asks me here for my 12-digit code at the top of my receipt. It asks me how much pounds or euros. So if I'm in Ireland or a European country, I think you can still do this as well. Um, and here it tells you what you will receive once you complete the survey. And it says you will receive a voucher for one Big Mac or fillet of fish or vegetable deluxe and one medium fries or a salad for $1.99. And that is literally it. You fill out the survey and they give you a voucher for $1.99 meal of the things I've just named above. And that's it. So you don't need to wait too long. And it says here actually, if you're in Ireland, you also receive a code, but the code is for a Big Mac or vegetable deluxe and medium fries for €3.90. So yeah, so if you're in Ireland or UK, so if you're in UK and you take a trip to Ireland, keep your receipt because if you're going to be in Ireland for a few days, you can still redeem and get your voucher. So yeah, this is a quick, nice, lovely hack to get some hot food. I know it's fast food, it's junk food, but some hot food quickly for yourself at a very, very, very cheap price. And a lot of people that are in secondary school, college, and maybe even uni as well, they love eating McDonald's. Some people do it every day. I know people that they like eating McDonald's like every day or every couple of days. And so this is a really easy, quick hack to get cheap McDonald's, hot food in your belly, especially when it might be cold days like winter as well. And yeah, you're saving money as well because you're not paying for a meal, which is, I think, about now, McDonald's meal is probably around £4. How much is a meal? It's around probably like £4.50 roughly for, let's say, a fillet of fish meal. So here you're just getting the burger and the fries for $1.99. And for those that will say you're not getting a drink with this for $1.99, you can go to the corner shop. You can get a canned drink for maybe 80p, 70p, or you can go to the pound shop, get 2 or 3 cans for £1 or 6 pack of water for £1. So you're still saving money. So that is today's hack. McDonald's. McDonald's. Please do not forget. Anytime you go to McDonald's, just take your receipt. If they don't give it to you, say, please, can I have my receipt? Don't let them take it, scrunch it and throw it in the bin. You take your receipt because it's yours. You earned it because you paid for your meal. So you want to get this receipt to get money off your next time you go to McDonald's. That's it for McDonald's today and the end of this video. Thank you all for watching. God bless. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, spread the love. Let people know they can save some money on McDonald's. You know, it's not always about McDonald's taking all our money. Let's redeem some things back for ourselves as well. So that's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.